Hello dear student. So today's question is, which of the following feature is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? Okay, so let us first understand what is Arthropoda. Arthropoda is actually the phylum of animal kingdom. Okay, so in easy language you can call Arthropoda is just a category of animals. Now, why they are called Arthropoda? Let us understand first. They are called Arthropoda because they have jointed leg. So they are called arthropod. You can write instead of leg appendage. Appendage refers to the organ that are required for locomotion or that are processing out from the body of organism. Now to understand the characteristic of arthropoda, let us take the example of a representative of arthropoda. Here I have drawn cockroach. Let us see that this cockroach have antenna like structure on its head. Okay, and it has its legs too that have joints, of course, that I have drawn here with brown color. See, the cockroach is actually a terrestrial insect. Thereafter, you can see on its lower abdominal area, it has some specific structure called anal, style, and anal cerci. This anal cerci is a specific characteristic of male cockroach. Okay, so I have named the three areas. First is head, then the thorax, and then the abdomen. Means we can easily understand that the body is divided into three parts, that is head, thorax, and abdomen. Means we can understand that body is segmented, and since the body is segmented both externally and internally, they are called as metameric segmentation. Means if you understand about the characteristic, they have metameric segmentation too. If someone wants to know what is metameric segmentation, I am explaining it just right now. Is that metameric segmentation refers to the repetition of the body parts in such a way that it is divisible either from it is divisible both from outer side as well as inner side. So such organisms are called to have metameric segmentation body. Okay, now let us proceed and see the next characteristic of the arthropoda. You understand that these organisms have a specific structure that protects them from the different area on the land, such as desiccation and predators, because they have a thick covering that is called exoskeleton. This exoskeleton is made up of chitin, so it helps them to being protected. Okay, so these are the specific characters of terrestrial arthropod. Okay, but you will also see one of its group called Onychophora that is inside the arthropoda have the body like an annelid. But you should understand that the body seems to be presented like annelid. They are called as velvet worm and they have parapodia like structure. But remember student, this is not parapodia. This is just the trunk appendages, and these appendages may have claws. Okay, so these are actually not parapodia, but it seems to be like that. So this structure is that we call parapodia is absent in arthropod. So according to the question, which of the following is not present in the phylum Arthropoda, is that first option is parapodia is correct because jointed appendages are present, chitinous exoskeleton is present, metameric segmentation is present. Okay, so correct answer is A.